Why don't cars ever get tired? Because they're always on a roll. Now that we've got the wheels of humor spinning, let's fuel up your knowledge tank about something we often overlook, yet is vital for our rides: the humble tire. From the raw rubber to the road, there's more to these circular marvels than meets the eye. So buckle up, folks. We're about to embark on a journey through the intricate process of tire production. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the fascinating world of tire manufacturing. Imagine a world without tires. It's hard, isn't it? That's because tires are a crucial part of our everyday lives. Our journey starts with three key ingredients: rubber, carbon black, and a cocktail of chemicals. These are the building blocks of a tire. The rubber, whether natural or synthetic, is the main ingredient, providing the tire with its flexibility and resilience. Carbon black, on the other hand, is a reinforcing agent that gives tires their black color and helps them resist wear and tear. The chemicals, well, they're the secret sauce that gives each tire its unique properties. Now, these ingredients don't just magically come together. They undergo a process called mixing. In this phase, the rubber, carbon black, and chemicals are heated and kneaded together, much like dough in a bakery. This transforms them into a malleable rubber compound that's ready for the next stages of tire production. But what about the skeleton of the tire? That's where steel wires and fabric cords come into play. These materials are prepared separately, with steel wires being shaped into beads, and fabric cords being coated with rubber to form plies. These plies will eventually become the body of the tire, providing the structural strength it needs to support a vehicle's weight and withstand road conditions. With the raw materials ready, we're now set to move to the exciting part of molding and curing. It's time to shape up or ship out, quite literally in the case of our tire. Now that the raw materials have been assembled, it's time to shape and mold them into a tire that's ready to hit the road. The process begins with the assembly of the tire layers. Each layer is meticulously put together, ensuring that the tire has the right balance of strength and flexibility. This isn't just about slapping pieces together, folks. It's about creating a tire that's as robust as it is reliable. Next, we move on to the shaping process. The assembled tire is placed into a tire press, a machine that could easily be mistaken for a medieval torture device. But fear not, it's all in the name of creating the perfect tire. The press applies heat and pressure to the tire, shaping it into its final form. But we're not done yet. The tire then goes through the curing process. This is where the rubber meets more rubber, I suppose. The tire is heated to a specific temperature for a precise amount of time. This process not only gives the tire its final shape, but also the tread, that pattern you see on the surface of the tire. Each step in this process is critical and requires a high level of precision. A misstep in any stage can lead to a tire that's not fit for the road. But when done right, the result is a tire that's ready to take on whatever the road throws at it. And voila! From a bunch of raw materials, we now have a tire ready to hit the road. So, there you have it. The life cycle of a tire, from raw materials to the finished product. We've traced the journey from gathering and mixing raw ingredients to the precision preparation of steel wires and fabric cords. We've seen how the tire is molded and cured, transforming it into the robust wheel ready for the road. Next time you see a tire, you'll know it's not just rubber and air. It's a product of sophisticated engineering and meticulous craftsmanship. Until our next journey, stay curious and keep rolling.